Hey guys, look, got something else from Mytee Products. Let's get it open and show you what it's all about. Alright guys, look at the finish on that. Man, that's nice. Backside, no sharp edges. Everything's good and clean. Looks good. Man, I'm digging this. Mytee Products has outdone themselves with this. This stuff is very affordable. It comes in different lengths, and boy, look at that. Super easy. Locked in. You can go this way. Oh man, and I'll have some videos coming up on some accessories for this ETrack system also from Mytee Products. But man, I highly recommend this. This is freaking awesome. But there will be a link in the description below for these. Make sure you use my code and stuff. Helps you guys out a little bit. Helps me out some too. That way they can send me more stuff so I can review for you guys so you're not buying junk. But man, highly recommend. That is freaking sweet. But check these guys out. Buy some more stuff while you're there because they got awesome chains. And I mean, I can't say enough about them. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most definitely go check out Mytee Products. Link in the description below.